Today I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet out of a plastic bottle. This is a great Earth Day craft because you reuse a plastic bottle you already have, and you probably already have the other supplies that are needed. You will need a 1 liter plastic bottle, scissors, an exacto knife, some nail polish, and optionally a bobby pin or toothpick. Step 1. Here you'll use an exacto knife to cut 5 slits in the water bottle. Only an adult should do this part, and do be careful. Cut the first slit near the top of the bottle, the second one near the bottom of the bottle, the third one should go halfway between the previous two, and now the last two you'll put in the middle of the empty spaces. So now you have 5 evenly spaced slits on the side of the bottle. In step 2, you will cut around the bottle using scissors. Scissors are much safer and easier to use, so we're using them instead of the exacto knife. However, start at the slits that you made with the exacto knife to cut completely around the bottle. Try to keep the edges even, but you'll have time later to fix the edges. When you finish, you should have 4 plastic rings. Cut off any pieces of the plastic that are rough. Also, use the scissors to even the edges of the ring so that the width of the plastic is the same all around. Step 4, you'll melt the edges of the plastic ring. Use a hot iron and turn the mist setting off. This is a job for an adult. Place 1 ring on the table and press the hot iron on the bracelet. Try to put even pressure on all areas of the plastic ring. Don't press too hard, a light touch is best. The edges will automatically curve in. Flip the ring over and repeat this step so that both edges are curved in toward the center. In step 5, you'll paint the inside of the ring with nail polish. Use several thin coats and wait for each coat to dry before adding another coat. If you'd like a polka dot design, use a toothpick or bobby pin to put random dots on the inside of the plastic. Wait for the dots to dry and then paint the inside of the ring with a contrasting color. Now you have a fun fashion accessory, all while reusing a water bottle.